Hello students and aspirants, in this video I am going to teaching you about rule number 11. Gerund. What is gerund? B1 plus ing, that is gerund. For example, playing. Playing. Play is a B1 verb, first form verb, plus ing. B1 ing, that is called gerund. To note that possessive adjective should be placed before gerund. Possessive adjective should be placed before gerund. What is possessive adjective? My, your, is, her, its, our, their. These all are possessive adjective. These possessive adjective should be placed before gerund, not pronoun. Before gerund, possessive adjective should be placed, not pronoun. See some example. The singing was beautiful. Singing, gerund. The, possessive adjective. Cooking, my cooking needs improvement. Cooking. Cooking is gerund. My is possessive adjective. Is reading. My staying. Here, possessive adjective should be placed before gerund. My father does not like my going out with Ram. My going. My, possessive adjective placed before gerund. I supported her playing cricket. Her playing. Her, possessive adjective. Playing, gerund. In the rule number 11, talk about gerund. Before gerund, possessive adjective should be placed, not pronoun. To note that student, I, me, you, he, she, it, they. These all are pronouns. These pronouns are not come before gerund. In the next video, I will teach you the next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.